Alright, so here it is, the trunk lid handle, and you can see there is a pretty serious gap. Now what ends up happening is the holes for the screws that hold in the trunk lid, they're like thin plastic, and so they tend to crack over time, and apparently it's a very common issue, and as a result there's really nothing for the screws to kind of hold on to, and so you get a nice little panel gap. So I'm gonna try to see if I can ghetto rig fix this today, because one of these is like a couple $100, 150 to 200 bucks, and yeah, I'm not into that. Luckily for me, I still had the piece that broke off my handle, so all I had to do was JB Weld it back on. If you weren't so lucky, you could JB Weld on a small washer instead. I would also recommend using JB Weld putty because it has the added benefit of adding rigidity to your repair. And there you have it. Works perfect. Gap pretty much gone. It's pretty solid. There it is. Don't you just love it when a quick ghetto fix works out?